Welcome back to Add Art. Today's Add Art is of one of history's most inspiring women, Rosa Parks. Now, what makes Rosa such a brave individual is for something she refused to do. So let's draw her and learn exactly what that was. First, we'll start by drawing her head down towards her chin. Put the other cheek in and up. Now we'll put her glasses in, one lens and a second the other side, bridge between, and then let's put her pupils and eyes in. Now her nose, cheeks and a mouth. If I am going a little bit fast, remember you can always pause, catch up and then hit play. Just putting her ears in and her eyebrows and her hair and parting. She had a flower and a hat she was wearing. Just comes up and around. We'll do her hair just out to the side here. Okay, let's put her neck in. Let's put the top of her coat going down, have it going up the other side. Quite a big collar on it. Join it there. And a shirt underneath with a button. Okay, let's do the arms of the coat. Coming down and across. We'll have her arm coming in. We'll have her holding a handbag in a minute. We'll just put the edge of her coat and her arm poking through. Now she wore white gloves. Let's put her thumb and fingers clutching that bag. Finish off the edge of the coat and then mirror that on the other side with her left hand. Okay, that comes up, edge of the glove, bit of arm, take this coat, creases leading up here, for the arm, and down the other side, and coming in. Put that line down, put in a few buttons. Now we'll put that handbag in I was talking about. It's like a little rectangle, clasp. I'll put the handle in now, reaching up to her hands. Now we'll just finish off the edge of the coat. She was a very smart lady. She worked as a seamstress details there. Just put the edge of her skirt here. Now, Rosa was born in Alabama in the USA on the 4th of February 1913, and because her parents separated, she went to live on her grandmother's farm. Now, sadly, even from a young age, Rosa experienced lots of racism, and people were mean to her just because of the colour of her skin. She grew up in a time when white people deliberately made things separate for black people, including separate schools, churches, shops, drinking fountains, and even seats on this bus. Hopefully, that sounds as crazy to you as it does to me. However, things would start to change on the 1st of December 1955, when Rosa climbed on board this bus. So we're just doing the door open there. Okay. Wheel in. Wheel hub. Put some windows in. We'll have them getting a little bit smaller as they disappear into the distance. Now, after a long day of work, she got on the bus with 3 friends and sat in the seats that had been allocated for black people. But by the 3rd stop, the bus was starting to get full. The white driver asked Rosa and her friends to let the white people sit in their seats and move to the back of the bus. Her friends moved, but Rosa refused. She moved to the side of the seat, but not to the back. Now, the driver got very angry and said if she didn't move, he'd call the police. But Rosa wasn't just tired from working, she was actually more tired at the way black people were being unfairly treated. She told him to call the police, and when they arrived, she was arrested. But what happened next was amazing. Because Rosa refused, her friends organised a bus boycott, telling everyone not to use them until things changed. For 381 days, 40,000 black people in Rosa's hometown of Montgomery refused to use the buses. Many of them had to walk miles to work instead. Okay, we'll just put in the front window. glass shining there. Okay, a bit of detailing at the front here. And the buses had big round lights. And this was the number of the bus that she caught on that extraordinary day. Okay, let's put some trees in the street where she's waiting. Now soon all the newspapers were reporting the bus boycotts, and the government had to take notice. Laws were passed to remove segregation on buses, and the boycott ended on the 20th of December 1956. Although Rosa was able to change this law, problems still exist, and we have a long way to go for people to be judged by their actions rather than the colour of their skin. And there we have it. There is Rosa Parks about to get on a bus and make history. Do remember to check out my other videos and to click the subscribe button. When you do, you'll be the first to know when I've uploaded a new video. Also, if you have enjoyed this video today, please give me a thumbs up like. It really helps my channel grow and will mean more people get to see Add Art. And finally, if you know someone who loves drawing and would like this or one of my other videos, please share Add Art with them. But that's it for today, so I'll see you next time on Add Art. Bye for now.